How to sign in Steam mobile app. So if you want to download, install and sign into your account on your Steam mobile app, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having an internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store. And after opening your Play Store, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for Steam. After searching, now if you have any install option, here on the right side, you will have the install option. You just need to simply go with install. And after installing, you will have the open button. You can tap on open and launch your Steam application after installing it. It will take you to this kind of page. Now to sign into your account, you need to enter your Steam account name and the password. So enter your Steam account name on the first, and after that enter your password. After entering your information, you need to tap on sign in, and here you need to enter the code, your Steam Guard code. You'll receive the code to your mail address, so you just need to simply enter the code, and after that tap on sign in, and that's it. You will be signed into your account. That's how you can download, install and sign into your Steam account on your mobile app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.